introduce us from group 3. We will explain about accounts in accounting. But before that, I will introduce the member of group. My name is Nurul Kolbis Lamia as moderator and first speaker, and the members of group are.
My name is Dwi Amraini, second speaker.
My name is Nur Amalia Ramadhani as three speaker.
Okay guys, in this discussion, we will cover 3 subjects and I will explain about the definition of accounts. The definition of accounts. Account is a medium to classify and record the addition and subtracting of its element of the financial of statements. Okay, next will be explained by the second speaker.
Okay guys, now I will explain about the rule of recording. First, debating in accounting entry that result in either an increase in assets or a decrease in liabilities on company balance sheet. Crediting a contractual agreement in which a borrower receives something of value now and agrees to repay the lender at a later date, generally with interest. Okay, next. Okay guys, I will explain about normal balance. Asset account normal balance in debit, adding in debit and recording in credit. Liability account normal balance in credit, adding in credit and recording in debit. Capital account normal balance in credit, adding in credit and recording in debit. Income account normal balance in credit, adding in credit and recording in debit. Expense account normal balance in debit, adding in debit and recording in credit. Okay guys, next. I will explain about account group. Real or permanent account. The account contained in the balance sheet are assets, debit and capital. These accounts state the position of the financial balance on the balance sheet. Okay, next. Account group nominal or temporary account. These are the account contained in the profit and loss calculation, which are the income and expense account.
Okay, next account card. Real account asset comprised of current asset, non-current asset, fixed asset, and other asset. Liability. Liability comprised of current liability, short-term liability, and long-term liability. And the next, the analysis transaction. The recording of transaction for the efficiency is current or out for X transaction and X transaction is recorded in as much detail as possible containing all the necessary information.
Okay guys, now we will enter the discussion session and we will review YouTube video link from the book. And the first review by Nur Amalia Ramadhani.
Number 1 is an account. Account is a place where we can record, sort, and store financial transactions. Number 2 is a tick account is a graphical representation of an account. Number 3, the general ledger is a place where a business store a complete record of all its financial transaction and account. Number 4, debit on the left and credit on the right. Number 5, double entry bookkeeping means the average.
Okay guys, and the second video will be reviewed by Dwi Anggraini.
Okay guys, now I will explain YouTube video link from the book. The main difference between nominal and real account is their duration and function. Nominal account revenues, expense, and dividends are temporary and reset to zero at the end of each year, with their balance transferred to permanent account like retained earnings. Real account assets, liabilities, and equity are permanent and track cumulative transactions since the company inception.
Accounting is a fundamental pillar in effective financial management. It teaches us that balance in numbers reflects balance in decision making. I hope this presentation enhances our understanding of the importance of accounting. Okay guys, that was the presentation and discussion of our group. I would like thanks to my teammates and thank you also to Ma'am Afdalia Haris as a lecturer in this course. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye.
Between us seems so wrong. I know it's so right. Like an old